Hi, welcome to How to Reset Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me XIAOMI Mi 11 Ultra, and now I can show you how to take a screenshot on this device. Okay, so the first method to take a screenshot is to press it together, power button and volume down button. So press it together and great, as you can see we have take a screenshot. So great. But the second method to take a screenshot on this device is swiping down using 3 fingers from up to down. So swipe down and great, as you can see screenshot was successfully taken. And the third method to take a screenshot on this device is taking a long screenshot. To take a long screenshot, you just need to open any app, any place. You can scroll and then take a screenshot using the one of the showed methods. Take a screenshot and then choose scroll. Now scroll the screenshot to the point you need. For example, I want to take a screenshot from the upper part of the screen to rear display, for example. Then click done, wait a while, click agree, and as you can see I have long screenshot from the upper part of my screen. I can cut it to settings, for example, and to rear display. Then click OK. And great, now I have this screenshot in my gallery. Great, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.